Hey everybody, it's Darren Amato here at AMBRO Manufacturing in Flemington, New Jersey. And today I'm talking to all the folks out there who are buying bulk personalized garments from us. T-shirts, polos, hoodies, anything else that you'd like your logo on or personalized. And I want to show you all the different locations that are available for your logo decoration. So I'm going to turn the camera around, we're going to take a look at a shirt and point out those locations. All right, so on this t-shirt, you're looking at a decoration that is in the left chest position. Now, from your viewpoint, it may look like it's to the right, but you always designate from the wearer's perspective. So this, if you were wearing the shirt, would be on your left chest. If we put it over here, it would be your right chest. And if we put it here, this would be center chest. You also have the option to have a logo or design on the sleeve, on the left sleeve, on the right sleeve. And if I flip the shirt over, this is an example of a full back decoration. Sometimes you can put it across the shoulder blades, and some people do what's called the nape of the neck. In some other instances, we've done what's called the locker tag position, which is down here. So those are the standard decoration locations for most tops. So if you're interested in ordering bulk customized t-shirts, polos, hoodies, or any other garment with multiple decoration locations available, give us a call here in New Jersey and we're happy to help you out.